Hey everybody, this is a tutorial on how to use MailChimp. This is my third attempt at making this screencast, so in advance I'd like to apologize to Michelle for so many emails I've been sending her recently. So let's get started. This is, after you log into MailChimp, this is not the primary page that you see. This is the primary page that you see typically. But in the upper left-hand corner we want to click on Campaigns. A campaign is just an email that you send out, basically, that gets tracked. So we're going to create a campaign. So in the upper right here, we say Create Campaign. Down in this box, we say Create an Email. We'll give it a name, and we'll say Test 3. We get a new page. At this point, we're going to add recipients. Click the list button. Normally we would choose members. It goes out to all of our members. This time we're going to choose test, which is just Michelle. Click save. From RREA is pre-populated. We click save. Subject. We're going to say test 3. And we're going to go over to preview text and say test 3. Save. And now we will design content. So in the content side, we go over to design email. Click that button, and there's a lot of templates. Now we have these templates, which are basically raw templates. We can go to saved templates, and we'll do that in the second half of this video. This one we just want to do a simple email, so we're doing simple text. We'll click that. And this is what is pre-populated on the left-hand side here. This first one, we just delete that typically. And this one we're going to edit, so we use the little pencil icon here. When I click that, all the text in that box shows up on the right-hand side. We highlight, delete, and type something. Test number 3. Screencast number 3. Let's add a picture, just for fun. So, actually, let's add a website link. That is our website. We're going to highlight it. Click the link button. A new box shows up. I'll just type in an address, www.rrea.org. Insert. Now that's a link. Let's add a picture. Go to the picture icon up here. Click that. These are pictures we've already uploaded. So I'll just pick one. And I click the insert button in the upper right hand corner. Tells you how big it's going to be. We'll leave it big. Save and insert. Okay, it's huge. So let's go back to this picture. See if we can. We'll make this smaller. Notice this here, it says keep proportions, so it tells you how big the picture is. All you have to do is reduce one of the numbers and the other one will automatically reduce. So let's go, say, 50% of that or less. We'll go to 500. Save and insert. There we go. That's better. Okay. So that's a simple email, and we'll save and close. Okay, at this point, it's done. We're going to click the monkey. It goes back to the main page. We'll go to campaigns in the upper left. And we see test 3. Click on test 3. Everything is filled out, and it should show us a preview here in a second. There we go. And now in the upper right, we click send. send now. And away it goes. And we're done with that one. So let's try a different one. Let's do one from a template. So we do campaigns, create campaign, create an email, campaign name, test 4, begin. Go through the add recipients again and save. From, it pre-populates, save, subject, test caravan MailChimp. Oop. MailChimp. And save. Now we're going to design the email. This time we're going to go to Save Templates. We're going to choose San Diego Country Estates Caravan. Click on it. There it is. We need to edit the text a little bit. So we hit the little pencil icon and come over to the right. We're going to scroll down. This is what you got to do when you do a new one. We need to break that link. The PDF that we send out, the link anyway, for the caravans is in Google Drive. So you have to find that link, share it, and find the address for it and copy it. So we want to break this link first, verify that it's not underlined or colored anymore, re-highlight, create link, and here you can do a Control-V to paste in the address you had from Google Drive. In this case, we're just going to do our website. So it has a link there. Insert. And look at that. It's now blue and it's underlined, showing that it's actually a link. That's really the only change on this we have to do, because we tried to make this generic so that there was no dates in there at all. So we're going to save and close. And that should be it. Go back to the monkey in the upper left. We'll go to campaigns again in the upper left. There's our test 4. We'll open that. We'll wait for a second for the email to appear down here. And almost there, I'm sure. A picture might be a little on the large side, so it takes a bit longer than normal. There we go. So there it is. Now in the upper right, we're going to click the send button and send now. If you start it and you wanted to, let's hit cancel for the moment. If you wanted to finish it later, we could click that. I haven't tried that, so I'm not sure exactly how that works. Anyway, we're going to click send, send now, and away it goes. We'll go back to campaigns, and it says test 4 sending, which means it's, I think the way MailChimp works is it sends out each email individually so they don't get blocked. And that's it. If you got any questions, give a shout or click the help button up here in the corner.